Have you noticed your dog licking his paws over and over, sometimes for a few seconds, other times for several minutes at a stretch? Maybe it happens late at night, after a walk, or even when nothing seems wrong at all. While the occasional lick is totally normal, constant paw licking can mean there's something more going on with your furry friend. Today, you'll discover why dogs lick their paws, what this habit really means, and when you should start paying closer attention. Ready to learn what your dog is really telling you with every lick? Let's dive in. 1. Normal grooming or something more? Licking is a natural part of every dog's grooming routine. Dogs use their tongues to clean their fur, paws, and even their faces, just like cats do. After walks or playtime, it's common for a dog to lick away dirt, mud, or anything stuck between their toes. A quick occasional lick is simply self-care and nothing to worry about. But if your dog seems obsessed with licking his paws, does it for long periods, or if you notice redness, swelling, or hair loss, it's time to look for a deeper reason. Sometimes excessive licking is the first sign that something is bothering your dog. Paying attention to when and how your dog licks can help you catch health problems early and save your best friend from bigger issues down the line. If you want to keep your dog happy and healthy by understanding his behaviors, like this video and subscribe for more essential canine tips. 2. Allergies, a top cause of paw licking. One of the most common reasons dogs lick their paws is allergies. Just like people, dogs can react to pollen, dust, grasses, chemicals, food, and even certain materials used in their beds or toys. When a dog has allergies, his paws might itch, tingle, or become inflamed, leading him to lick or chew for relief. Sometimes you'll notice licking gets worse after a walk on grass or during certain seasons, pointing to environmental triggers. Other times, food allergies can show up as constant paw licking, even if the rest of your dog's skin looks normal. If you suspect allergies, look for other symptoms: red or swollen skin, biting at the paws, frequent ear infections, or itchy ears and eyes. Your veterinarian can help identify the exact cause and recommend changes in diet, medication, or environmental adjustments to help your dog feel better. 3. Irritation, injury, and foreign objects. Another big reason dogs lick their paws is irritation or injury. Sharp stones, small cuts, splinters, or even insect bites can all make a dog's paws uncomfortable. When dogs walk on hot pavement, ice, or salt, their pads can become sore, leading to licking as a way to clean or soothe the discomfort. Sometimes something as small as a stuck burr or tiny thorn is enough to make a dog obsess over a single paw. If you see your dog licking one paw more than the others, check for visible wounds, swelling, or anything caught between the toes or pads. Regular paw checks after walks can help catch little problems before they turn into bigger ones. Gently cleaning your dog's paws with a damp cloth after outdoor adventures is a great way to prevent irritation. 4. Anxiety, boredom, and emotional needs. Dogs don't only lick for physical reasons. Sometimes the habit is emotional. Anxiety, boredom, or loneliness can all trigger repetitive behaviors, including paw licking. Dogs left alone for long stretches, or those who experience big changes in routine, may turn to licking as a form of self-soothing or comfort. For some, it becomes a habit that's hard to break, even after the stress is gone. Pay attention to when your dog licks the most. Is it when he's left alone, after a move, or during thunderstorms? Giving your dog more mental and physical stimulation, walks, play, puzzle toys, and training can help redirect the habit. Calming routines, gentle touch, and a stable environment also make a difference. If licking is tied to anxiety, consider speaking with your vet or a canine behaviorist for extra guidance. 5. Pain and underlying medical issues. Persistent paw licking can be your dog's way of telling you he's in pain. Conditions like arthritis, joint problems, or nerve issues can cause discomfort in the legs or paws, and licking is a natural attempt to find relief. In some cases, infections, fungal or bacterial, cysts, or even tumors, may cause a dog to focus on a particular paw or area. If your dog's licking is sudden, intense, or combined with limping, swelling, or a change in activity level, consult your veterinarian as soon as possible. A thorough exam and possibly lab tests can help identify any hidden medical problems. Remember, Catching these issues early often leads to better outcomes and less suffering for your dog. 6. When to worry, warning signs and next steps. While some paw licking is perfectly normal, there are times when you should take action. Watch out for signs like constant licking that interferes with sleep or play, raw or bleeding skin, limping, a foul smell, or discharge from the paw. These symptoms can point to infection, injury, or a more serious health issue that needs immediate attention. Your vet may recommend treatments like medicated shampoos, antibiotics, anti-inflammatory drugs, allergy management, or changes in diet or routine. Never use human medications or creams on your dog without veterinary guidance, as many are toxic for pets. Early intervention makes a big difference, so trust your instincts. You know your dog best. 7. Tips to help your dog stop excessive licking. If your dog's paw licking is starting to become a habit, there are practical steps you can take to help. First, keep your dog's paws clean and dry, especially after outdoor walks or play. Regularly trim hair between the toes and check for small wounds or debris. If allergies are the cause, work with your vet to find the right food or environmental changes. Provide plenty of physical activity and mental stimulation to prevent boredom. Try introducing interactive toys, games, or chew treats to keep your dog busy and distracted. Creating a calm and predictable routine helps dogs who lick out of stress or anxiety. Offer extra affection, gentle massage, or a cozy, safe space. If your dog's licking is severe or not improving with simple changes, always seek professional help. The sooner, the better for your best friend's comfort and health. 8. Curiosities in paw licking and pop culture. Did you know that paw licking is so common, it's become a classic dog trait in books, cartoons, and movies? From funny scenes of pups cleaning themselves to cartoons where a worried dog licks his paws before a big adventure, this behavior has captured the imagination of dog lovers everywhere. Throughout history, paw care has been a symbol of self-sufficiency and health in animals. Ancient texts mention how wolves, foxes, and wild dogs groom their feet for survival. Some cultures even believed that a dog licking its paw could predict the weather or signal an upcoming visitor. Pet owners around the world share stories of their dogs' quirky paw-licking routines, from dogs who demand a foot bath after every walk, to those who seem to meditate while grooming their feet. The more you watch, the more you'll notice how personal and expressive this habit really is. Now you know, when your dog licks his paws, he might just be doing some simple cleaning, but sometimes he's sending you a message about his health or feelings. By paying attention to the frequency, timing, and intensity of the habit, you'll become an even better advocate for your furry friend's well-being. Next time you see your dog focusing on his paws, check for hidden causes and never hesitate to seek help if something seems off. If you want to unlock more secrets about your dog's behavior and become the best pet parent possible, click on the next video that's appearing on your screen right now. There's so much more to discover about canine health and happiness, and I'll see you there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.